My name is Randy Leader. I live in Kenilworth. I've lived here since 1984. Well, the mine site is pretty much over, it's been overwhelming over the town ever since, it's been built. I mean, the town was built for the mine. The whole side of this hill has always been an effect on the town. Well, this channel was eroded really bad. It wasn't holding up to the runoff. The main issue we have up here with everything is that the storms we get nowadays are far more intense than they were in 82 or 83 when they did this reclamation. And this erosion along here, there was spots where the coal was actually, you could walk over and shovel the coal out of the side of the hill if you wanted to. It was completely exposed and it was washing out, and it was an eyesore on the community.
My name is Kent Phillips. I'm a mining engineer and the project manager for the Kenilworth Reclamation Project. We started construction in May of 2018. Expect to finish up sometime around mid-September this year. And really the primary objective of the project is to decrease the energy of the water coming down through the channel, and that's going to help prevent further erosion and incision into the coal refuse, which again, all that sediment washes downstream and into the Price River. And we plan to do this by first regrading the entire channel, so nice gentle slope, it's very consistent, and then we're going to take around 25,000 tons of riprap and place it all along the channel in a series of check structures, and that essentially acts like little dams that help break up the energy in the water and slow it down. If you look at the surrounding topography at the site, you can really see that it's the catchment area is just a giant catcher's mitt for rainwater. So when you have these storm events, what happens is you have these extremely high volumes of water that come down through the canyons. They dig into the coal, erode it, and size into the coal refuse, and then all that sediment washes downstream and into the Price River.
I'm Jason Franson. I'm with Nelco Contractors. I'm the president of a family-owned business. Been in business about 45 years. We have a limestone quarry near the top of Price Canyon, which is about 25 miles northwest of the Kenilworth location. We are able to truck that in to the staging area here at the project, and large boulders, 3, 4, 5 foot diameter angular limestone ledge rock into rock trucks and haul them up the channel after everything was recontoured and compacted. We were able to use our local workforce. We're out of Price, Utah, which is just 10 miles south of Kenilworth, and we really appreciate the opportunity.
Reclamation that was done here was a big help. It did make it look a lot nicer, and it also provided some good jobs for the community, and we appreciated that. But it did make the whole thing look a lot better, and in the long run it will do a great deal of advantage for the community. And it'll make the runoff coming off of here cleaner. We appreciated that. It provided good jobs for the community. At a time when a lot of these guys probably would have been laid off, they had a good job here. And that was good for the community in the long run. They're construction workers, and that's what I am. And we all got to look at things like that. And that was good. We appreciated that. I think the whole county did.